Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, CodeMeet online coding classes. I hope you guys are doing well. So if you also want to have individual experience in coding live classes, so these are the courses offered: C programming, text coding, and even block coding. And you can contact us on the following details. The contact number, Instagram handle, and email ID is mentioned. So you can contact us using that. So yeah, coming to today's motive about this session. So in the last session, we discussed about what is Python, why do we use print command. So you can refer to the previous videos to have a quick revision and quick look on that. Now in today's session, we will be discussing about variables and data types in Python. Like how you will be able to store the data in Python and what kind of data you can actually work with. Okay. So first of all, we will be learning about like what type of data we can actually work with. Then we will come to how you are supposed to store them. So now we are going to learn about data types in Python. Okay. So there are basically your many data types. Like there are many types of data, multiple data also, single data also, right? For now we will be just going to discuss about the three data types that are basically the mostly used one. Okay, and then after that gradually we will be learning about other data types also. Okay, no worries about that, but for now we are going to discuss about only three data types. So these three data types are going to be your first one is going to be your integer, then your float, and then your string. Now, first let's come to the value of integer. So integer basically going to include the number value. Okay, number value are going to be included in integer. Number value, that too in whole number. Number can be negative also, positive also, doesn't matter, but it should be in the combination of whole number, that should be 0 to 9. Okay, means the number should be created using the combo of this only. Okay, like if you can use 248, 889, or a particular phone number as well of 10 digits, so that will be also working out. Okay, fine. And basically the keyword which is used in Python to identify the integer is your int. Okay, and that too in this small case. Okay, int. Okay, or you can say the abbreviation we use for integer is int. And also in Python doesn't understand integer directly, it will be returning you the type using int. Fine. So I hope you guys understood about integer, the number value which will be having the combination of 0 to 9 whole number only. Okay, now coming to your next part, that is going to be your float. Float value means in integer there was only number value. But what if I am having the value such as pi, like 3.14, or I want to store something related to decimal? At that point of time, the float data type in Python comes for the rescue. So all the decimal numbers will come inside the float data type. Okay, basically you can say like point should be there inside the numbers. Okay, fine. And it is also combination of numbers, like examples are there. These were your examples like this. So here the examples will be 2.88, even 3.8, 3.0, 84.628. Okay, so these are your decimal numbers example. Okay, I hope I am clear. And the keyword that you use for float is your float, all in small case. Okay, fine. So this is a data type in Python for integer and float. Now we will be discussing about your string data type. Okay, now as you might have observed, like we have discussed about all the number data types till now, right? Integer is also including number, float is also including points, but still numbers are there. Now if I talk about string, what is it? It is the combination of letters, that is your A to Z, your numbers, that is your 0 to 9, and then your special characters, that can be your at the rate, hashtag, slash, ampersand, dollar sign, asterisk sign, and many more. So combination of all the things is going to create a string. Like if I am writing out what? Python at the rate 324. So it is including the letters also, number also, and your special character also. Clear? And the main thing in string is what? It is going to be enclosed in your quotation marks. Okay? Quotation marks in the sense double quotes, okay, and your single quotes. Without double or single, compiler or computer will not be able to identify like what type of data type it is. And otherwise it will show you the error if you will be giving any word without double or single quotes. Okay. For an example, if you want to give a name Python, so you will be using double quotes or single quotes. Okay, even if you will be using single quotes also, that is also acceptable. Okay, you are not supposed to use double quotes all the time. So these are the three data types in Python. Okay, and the keyword for string is what? Your str. Okay, all in small. For integer it is int, for float it is float only but in small letters, and str for string also it is str. I hope I am clear. So these are the three data types, like the type of data that you can store in Python: integer, float, and string. Now you can directly print them also. First we will be directly printing them. Now see, if I am writing here, I have named the file as variable and data types, and in the last session I also described about this platform Google Colab, so you can refer to the last session also. That is named as what is Python, okay, and the print command usage. So that is the name of that lesson. So now see, if I am using print command, these are its parentheses, and if I am writing here Python programming, that's what? That's your string value. Okay, fine. And if I am writing here any sort of number like 848, that's what? That's your integer value. Okay, fine. And if I am writing here like this 5.628, that's what? Your float value. Okay, fine. For now we are just printing it, so it is displaying the output exactly whatever whatever is written in your print command. Okay, now coming to your next part, that is, even if I am writing the same thing in single quotes, will it work? Yes, it will definitely work, and it is the part of string. If I am trying to write Python at the rate 847 hello, basically random word it is. Okay, so see, basically the main motive is to show you the combination of special characters it is working. Okay, like you, if you want to write any Gmail ID, email ID, any sort of IDs you are also giving, so you can use it. Even any link also you are working with. Link is also always have a special character combination. As you can see in this link as well. What is it there? Hashtag, special character is there. Number is also there. Letters are also there. So that will be a part of string. Okay. Suppose I am copying this link only and I am trying to print inside it. That will actually work. Okay. Right. See, if I am doing this and it will actually print. Okay, it is showing you the link only, but still you can see like it is working. Okay, fine. Now coming to next part. Mhm. Now basically how we will be able to identify what your particular computer is understanding. To know, like, okay, now I am telling you this is string, this is integer, this is float, but what about computer? Is he knowing about the data types, like what kind of data is getting inside me? So for that we will be learning about what we will be discussing about a type keyword. Okay, there is a keyword in Python, that is your type keyword, which is used to tell what kind of data type has been there. Okay, Okay, now this type keyword is also going to have parentheses. Now see, how will things work? If I am writing here, type with it, like type of 5.628. Okay, this indicates this. You can even understand the meaning through this, like I want to print, I want to display the output for the type of 5.628, and see if I will run it. Can you see it is returning you class float, like it is having the data type of float. Okay, same thing. If you want to know the data type for Python, what will be the data type? That is going to be your string value, and you can see class str. Same thing for this one as well, 848, and it is going to be your integer, and see class int. Okay, fine. For this Python programming also we are using this type keyword, and see it is going to show you str. Even if I am writing Python @8 programming, the number and special character, still it will show you. Clear? So we basically use type keyword to tell what kind of data type it inside it stored. Okay. Class, str, int and float. Okay. Fine. Now coming to, now we are just temporarily storing these data, right? Correct. Like we can see these are the data types, but we are temporarily storing it using print command. We are just currently displaying it. What if I want to store them? So at that point of time, there comes the concept of your variables in Python. Okay. Then now we will be learning about what are variables in Python. Now see, just like if I give you an example, if I say x equals to 2, y equals to 3, and I'm asking you guys like x multiplied by y. I want the answer for it. The most genuine answer will be either some of you might have the idea like it will be xy, or what will it be? It will be 6. So 6 will be correct. Why? Because it is visible. Like x is having the value 2, y is having the value 3, and if I will be multiplying x and y, what does it indicate? Like I am trying to multiply the value which is inside it, right? That is going to return 6. Just like that, variables in Python also going to act like that. For variables, what does it mean? These are the type of container which stores value inside them, and you can use those value for further usage. Okay, now see, if I am writing here name equals to Python. Okay, so what does it mean? Like the name is what? Your variable. Okay, and Python is what? The data type, the data that is getting stored, and you can call it as value of that variable. Okay, so what can I call? That name is the container which is holding Python inside it. Okay, so now if I want to print it, what will I do? I will directly use print name. Correct. Always remember, if I am writing the variable, then it will not require any double quotes. Okay, fine. So see, you can see, rather than writing a Python, what I will do, I will just do print name, because I know like the name is already having the value inside it, then why will I write Python? Okay, I will just directly give the name. Suppose if I am taking here age equals to suppose 80. Okay, then if I will do print age, what will it print? It will print 80, because age is the variable and 80 is the value that is getting stored inside the age. Clear? This is how the things work. Okay, and you can even store as long string you want to store in a variable. Okay, there is no restriction like you can store only one word. No, you can store as many words you can store in a string. Okay, but the main rule about variables that you are supposed to keep in mind, like they will not be using any quotation marks. Okay, fine. And even you are supposed to remember these rules for data type as well. Like for integer, no quotation marks. For float, no quotation mark. But for string, it will be used. Same for variables as well. There will be no quotation marks used for variables. Okay, they will not get used. Only for string. Okay, they will be used. For variables, you do not use any quotation marks. Now see, let us execute here. Now see, if suppose I am using this, let's take another part of code. In the plus code, you will get another code cell, so you can just have the practice of this type keyword. Now see, if I am writing here name is equals to CodeMeet. Okay. Now if I am using print name, so it will print it. Okay. If I am writing here age equals to 22. Okay. And if I will do print age. Okay. Uh, just a second. See, 22 is getting printed. And even if you want, like I want to print some distance. Okay. And I'm writing here 8.3. Okay. And I'm giving, so that's the value. Okay. Clear? Now, even if you want to know the type of particular thing that is getting stored in the variable, for that also you will be using the type keyword, like print type for name and see what will it return? Class str. Okay, fine. Even here also you can get the type of age, type and then age, class int. Okay, so this is how the things can work. And even in the variable also you can store the type of something. Like suppose I'm taking a variable a and in that I am storing type of distance. Okay, like what type of distance it is, what type of value the distance variable is holding, I am storing it in a variable. Okay, and if I will do what, print a. Okay, what will it show? It will show me class float. Okay, so basically what does it mean? Variable is a container that stores values inside. Okay, cool. So yeah, in today's session, we discussed about variables and data types in Python. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next session. I hope you do like my channel, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, family, okay? And contact us on these details mentioned if you want special group classes or one-to-one classes, okay? Bye-bye. Have a nice day.